Hi again. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the basic use of the post-processing software Agrisoft Photoscan Pro, which can be used to align and process photos that were captured with our Zephyr 2 or Zephyr 3 UAV systems, whether it's RGB or near-infrared images. Now, the first thing that we're going to do once we have opened the Agrisoft Photoscan Pro software is click on the little photo icon here and navigate to the folder that has your images, preferably ones that have already been geotagged with our ground station software. If you haven't geotagged your images already, you can geotag the image set after a flight mission using the flight log that has been generated from your ground station control software. The software can process photos that aren't geotagged, but since the procedure for geotagging images is so simple and straightforward, you would normally want to do that in advance so that your processing time, as well as the necessary resources for processing the photos, will be reduced and with a higher overall level of accuracy. Normally for photo processing, we recommend that you have a PC with roughly 16 gigabytes of memory and a quad-core processor at minimum. But of course, the more powerful your computer, the better. For example, a standard desktop isn't really going to be able to handle the level of processing required by the software. Once you have uploaded your geotagged photos, you're going to want to click on the folder that has your images within the chunk that you are currently processing. Go to the View menu and select Ground Control, and then click on the Ground Control tab. At the top of the menu to the left, you will want to click on the button labeled Import EXIF Data. Now, as you can see, all of the images that we have uploaded have their X, Y, and Z data displayed and extracted from the hidden EXIF data, the latitude, longitude, and altitude, so that when we align our photos, the software will know where the images are in space instead of having to estimate by looking at the shadowing of the images alone to generate an accurate end result. So once you have uploaded your geotags, go to the Workflow menu item and select Align Photos. Again, depending on your system's resources, you're going to want to select the accuracy setting that matches your processing capabilities. You're always going to want to go with the highest level of accuracy that you can, but processing times will be extended the higher the level of accuracy you choose. If you have captured your images on a windy day, high accuracy level could increase processing times immensely, so keep that in mind. So, once you have chosen your accuracy level, you're also going to want to select Ground Control for pair selection, since we have ground station control points available for the software to use. You can also choose to go with Generic if you do not have ground control points available. Go ahead and click OK to get the alignment process started when you're ready. After the alignment is completed, you can align some ground station control points to your aligned photo to increase your photo mosaic's end-level accuracy and create a point of reference for the software to use. By adding 3 or more ground control points, 1 centimeter of accuracy can easily be achieved with our systems. After your ground control points are set, we're going to go ahead and cancel our alignment process prematurely. The next step is to build your geometry, which serves to georeference all of the pixels on our photo mosaic image so that you can see the GPS coordinates and elevation at any one point of our photo mosaic. This highly accurate, geo-referenced and post-processed image can be used to output ortho maps and DEMs, as well as perform distance measurements or even perform volume and slope calculations. Another option this software allows is for the user to build texture onto the photo mosaic image so that we can three-dimensionally visualize the image and see where elevation changes exist without having to create a digital elevation map. If you wish to combine data from multiple flight missions together, you can align several post-processed chunks using this software to compile our individual flight missions' image data into a bigger piece of image data. By doing this, you can virtually extend the flight time of our UAV hardware many times over to map very large areas. Once your image data has been post-processed using the method I have already described, you can export an ortho photo via a JPEG, TIFF, or PNG, or even create a Google KML file for viewing in Google Earth. DEMs and GeoTIFFs are also exportable for other specialized types of analysis software. So this has been our intro course into the use of Agrisoft Photoscan Pro. If you want to learn more, I encourage you to read over Agrisoft's documentation for this software, available on the same page. Feel free to contact us through email or by phone if you have any questions regarding the software. We'd be glad to help. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!